ride around the block. Okay, camera. I guess the camera's rolling. It's been a minute since I have picked up a camera or really even touched work on the Supra. I am completely in a whole different state. It is 2 years, probably maybe a year, 2 years, about a year. I don't know, it's been a fat minute. And I guess today we're picking back up on the 7M build. We're not building it in the dorm anymore. We are in our own house and we now have the Supra with us. Let me, got our tools, everything's out of the storage unit. Classes started like 2 days ago, so yeah. At this point, the first thing we're gonna do is take off the crank pulley bolt, and then I guess we'll spin it over. I did get some stuff to clean it. I got a pulley set from jaw puller from Harbor Freight, engine degreasers, wire brush, and then I did take the original pulley with me just because I wasn't sure if I was gonna need to bring it or not. But so yeah, I guess yeah, here's the engine, here's how it's looking. Does look like the thing might also require some assembling. Got our pulley tool. Okay, so this is like attempt 15. Yeah, there it goes. I can't get this thing to stay on What happens when you drink too much Rubik? Put these gloves. Be prepared to catch that. Oh, we bottomed out. No way. No. What? 15th time is the charm. Oh my gosh. Come off. It's just dead. 5 hours later, and definitely user error, the crank pulley is finally out of the car. Okay, so what's going on? Quick interruption. The last time I saw you guys, it was Wednesday. It's my birthday, had people show up, so I had to put the camera down, put the motor aside. We cleaned it up, which, I mean, you just saw, but girlfriend's at work, have nothing else to do, so I'm gonna throw some headphones on, listen to some music, and I just figured I'd record while I take some of the engine apart. So let's get to it. Actually, hold on, 1, 2, 3, looks like it's just 3 bolts. So let's get that off real quick. Three bolts later. Timing cover is out. This might get upgraded. I haven't decided yet, but I will be shipping the oil pump. Obviously, we're gonna have to get a new one of these. This alternator bracket that's on here is on the wrong side. I'd have to take a look on the engine in the car, but I would assume that that's the power steering pump. So we'll have to take this engine out. When we do, it'll go on the stand and we'll take some of the parts off because this is broken. Next thing we can get off should be, I don't know, these two things. Don't know what torque is. With the idler, the tensioner pulley or whatever, and the oil pump shaft pulley, we can continue to get this front plate off. All we got to do left is take off this hard line, wraps all the way around the engine. We'll work our way from the top and then work our way down, taking off the motor mount, oil filter, I don't even know what this is, the oil pressure sensor, that off as well. That is also for the turbo. And we'll take the power steering mount and the rest of the house mount. Always blows me away how much easier it is to do stuff when the engine is outside of the car. Specifically these two bolts. I have a broken torque wrench I got from my work, and I'm gonna use it as a breaker bar. Fuck it. Broken torque wrench for the win. One long 24mm bolt later, and there is your oil filter housing. So just leave that right there. Out with the K&N filter from whoever had this engine last. We're gonna put a nice gritty filter on there when the time's up. You wanna say hi to the camera? I might just do a time lapse. It's my boy Nate. He's a madman on a bike. pressure sensor off.
The one with the red headlights?
All we got to do, we were going to take this off next, but realized it was bolted into the,
Open.
yeah, the old pan was bolted to it. So I guess it's time to flip her over. All right, go ahead, flip it over, big dog. Oh my God. Oh.
This one? No, you didn't. I did it. You missed one. Trying to kill me. Or that one.
Bro, he's probably got no lip tip. Actually,
oh, you're bending it. But you gotta. It's just barely. Just getting pop off. Yeah. Oh, you are bending it a little bit. Oh.
is that it popping? I think that was it popping, no?
Oh. Oh.
There's the old pan.
It's not looking too bad in there.
Honestly, not at all.
Just a little sludgy maybe at the bottom. Oh, bro. The pistons are holding oil.
This is the what, rod cap? Rod
The
end?
bearing, rod bearing.
Yeah. Rod bearing, rod cap to piston 1, rod 1, cylinder 1. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. There's not like too much metal scoring. But
Just use your wear.
yeah.
And it looks way better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, the crank actually looks fairly good too. Got oil all over it, but yeah, it actually looks pretty smooth.
Are you hitting on the bearing? It's going out. Oh, it's out. It don't even look that bad.
Got the Supra for headlight.
Good.
Piston to cylinder number 1. Are they they're factory, right?
Looking like money.
Yeah, that don't look too bad at all.
But that popped out easily.
Shit.
Ever seen people struggle with those shits?
Yeah. Actually, thank you for stopping by, hanging out.
Anytime you need rod.
Rod,
Yeah.
it's okay. Anytime you need head, I got you.
Damn, I don't got head.
It's okay.
Alright.
I got a spare. Alright, thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we'll be taking the pistons out. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe. If you have any advice, tips, or just want to say hi.
We're taking out the crank.
Next year, we're taking out the crank? Next
Yeah.
episode?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Or next year?
next video.
Next video?
Yeah, we'll take out the crank.
Because you tell me next year, I'm not going to put out another video until next school year. And then...
Nah, that crank's coming out. I
Yeah.
swear.
We'll take that crank out.